on.
Everyone, myself Diya Bhadiyadra. I am studying in 11th standard in Gnanmanjari Vidyapith. I am from Bhavnagar. I have joined calligraphy classes before 2 years. I have learned many different types of fonts and many different types of calligraphy here. Like rhythmic calligraphy, gothic calligraphy, then color calligraphy, highlighter calligraphy, etc. many more. I got many benefits by learning this, like I can improve my handwriting and I can make my projects and assignments more attractive. I want to thank my parents and Jayesh sir for helping me to learn this skill. At last, I would like to show you some of my work on calligraphy. This is called Gothic calligraphy. This is called Rhythmic calligraphy. This is the color calligraphy. This is highlighter calligraphy. This is also done with highlighter. This is candlestick calligraphy. This is called Gothic calligraphy. This is called Rhythmic calligraphy. This is called highlighter calligraphy. This is also a highlighter calligraphy. This is color calligraphy. Thank you.